Hello everybody, Samosi back again. I'm back with another football group break. Today we got one box of 2013 Crown Royal Retail with 2 hits and 20 cards. And then we also got a hobby box of 2016 Unparalleled, 3 hits, 80 cards per box. Here's the breakdown of who bought spots. This was a divisional again. NFC South, Mr. Texan bought those. NFC West, Wesley. NFC North, Jeff, and NFC South, Andrew. All cards shift with this break. Alright, we're going to start out this break with the 2013 Crown Royal. Really like Crown. There's a lot of good chances for low-numbered cards. And we're looking for, Hopkins and Bell. Some good rookies in this class. Alright, so let's go ahead and start this break. Crown Royal 2013. Good luck, everybody. Alright, 4 packs. Empty. Alright, pack 1. Alright, we got Vincent Jackson, base card. That's what the base cards look like real quick. Nice Cam Newton. And looks like we got a hit. Yep, for the Bengals. Marcus Hunt, number to 99. Sticker autograph. Die cut. For the Bengals. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. A pretty cool Christine Michael rookie. One of those diamond cards. And signed by the Steelers. Ray Graham rookie card. Alright. Back 2. Sam Bradford. Reggie Wayne. We got a red ruby for the Seahawks. Very nice. For Wesley, number 99, Spencer Ware. Nice cool looking die cut, number to 99. Oops. And we got number 299, Torrey Smith. 2 serial number cards in that pack, pretty nice. And a Carradine for the 49ers rookie card die cut. Again for Wesley. So 2 nice cards in that pack, Wesley. Alright, here we go. Pack 3. So I have 1 hit left. If we can get a nice pack. Larry Fitzgerald, Frank Gore, Chris Givens, and we got here Thompson, number to 299 for the Patriots. Nice little die cut, number to 299, rookie card for the Pats. And Matt Scott, rookie card for the Jaguars. Alright, last pack. We should have the last hit in this one. There's a thick card in here. See if I can get it to the back here. Alright. Green Ellis for the Bengals. A nice Russell Wilson base card. Anthony Collins. No, Santona Holmes. Santona Holmes. It's really hard to read the front of these. I guess I should look at the player. Whoa, there's a nice one for Atlanta. Julio Jones, number 299 for Andrew. Nice. And we got one more card. We got a rookie card of Minter for the Cardinals. Rookie card. Not a bad rookie there. And the hit. Also for the Cardinals and Wesley. Number 299. Here's to the throne. Andre Ellington. Jersey card. Alright. That's it for the Crown Royal. Wesley did pretty good. Get some serial number cards in the hit. And Marcus Hunt's other hit. Alright, let's move on to Unparalleled. Let's get a big hit out of here. And a quick look at the box. All sealed up. Alright. I did, first box I opened this, I did get 4 hits. So maybe we'll get a bonus hit in this. That'd be kind of cool. Let's see if I can cut it. Base cards are awesome in this. A few variations. Let's see if I can do this box real quick. Alright, good luck. Pack 1. Old school Paul Warfield. Troy Aikman. I'll turn the camera down a little. We got Sean Davis, rookie card for the Steelers. Aguayo for rookie card for the Bucks. We get Early. Jai for the Dolphins. Emmanuel Sanders, that's a pretty cool looking card for the Broncos. Robert Mathis for the Colts. Draft Diamonds. Pivotal Drives for the 49ers, and that's numbered to 99. Here we go, Wesley, another serial number card. Montana, Craig, and Jerry Rice. That's a pretty cool looking card. Pretty cool looking. Congratulations on that one. And Marcus Mariota. Alright, pack 2. Matt Ryan. Aaron Rodgers. Braverman for the Bears rookie card. Robinson rookie card for the Lions. Rawls. Drew Brees. There's Gronk, Novaski. Another All-Pro Antonio Brown. It's a pretty cool looking card. These are so cool looking. Michael Floyd. And for the Browns, Mingo. Alright. Still looking for our first hit. Pack 3. For the Falcons, Freeman. Zach Ertz. Gillespie. Neal rookie card. Lawrence Taylor. AJ Green, my PC guy. We get Bettis. Another pivotal drive for the Chiefs. Kelsey, West, and Alex Smith. Kelvin Benjamin. And Jameson Crowder. Alright. This feels like a thicker pack, maybe. Yep, nice stick card. Might be a decoy. Let's see. It's all backwards here. Alright, Landry. Jack Ham. Andre Reed. Carl Joseph rookie card for the Raiders. Bradbury rookie card for the Panthers. Sims. Get here. Clinton Portis. Murray. Jerry Rice. World Class Records. Pretty cool looking insert. And the first hit for the Eagles. Nelson Aguilar patch. Look at that patch. Sick. That is numbered 21 of 25. Very cool looking patch there. It's a very thick card. Sharp looking design. Alright, so that's our first hit. Still looking for an autograph. There's another patch. A combo patch. That's on Jeffrey. Torrey Smith. Jared Reed. Eli Apple rookie. Braverman rookie. Already had a Braverman, so there's probably a parallel. Kendall Wright. Jack Conklin rookie for the Titans. Got Marshall Faulk. Dual threats. There's Aaron Rodgers, number 25. There you go, Jeff. Woo! Nice low number 9 of 25. Or that's Brett Favre. Did I say Aaron Rodgers? Let's try Brett Favre, number 25. Just assumed it was Aaron Rodgers. Brett Favre, number 25. Cool. And Odell Beckham Jr. Alright, looks like we got 3 packs. You should have 2 hits. The remaining 3 packs. Larry Zonka. Pyramid. We got a Stanley rookie card. Spence rookie card for the Bucks. Eli Apple rookie card again. Giants. Bob Greasy. Crockett Gilmore. We got Aaron Donald zoned in. Cool looking insert. Ooh, autograph for the Colts. And that is Mr. Texan, number 199, TJ Green. Number 199. Congratulations, Mr. Texan. Not your Texans, but hit nonetheless. Number 199. Very good. And Colin Kaepernick. Alright, so we still have one more hit. So hopefully we can get Andrew or Jeff last hit here. Bubba Franks. Done. Hargraves Jr., Hargraves the third rookie card. Sharp rookie card for the Titans. Robinson rookie card for the Lions. Edwin James. Rashad Green. Defensive rookie of the year, or defensive moments of the year. Watt shines as defensive player of the year. There you go, Mr. Texan. One of you guys. We've got a hit. Demarcus Robinson, number 299. Seems like I'm pulling everything of him lately. For the Chiefs. And Teo. Alright, let's see if we can get a 1-1 or something out of this pack. Last pack. Doug Williams. Darren McFadden. Nick Vanette, rookie card for the Seahawks. Kenny Clark, rookie card. Packers. Hargraves the third, again, rookie card for the Bucks. Chris Conley. Jeff Driscoll, rookie card. Niners. We got pivotal drives, Breeze, Spiller, and Cooks. We got here number 99 for San Francisco. Another number card for you, Wesley. Joshua Garnett, rookie card, number 99. Not bad. And Matt Jones. Alright guys, that is the break. No more packs. Thank you all for getting in. If you went hitless, I will throw in a bonus card with your pack. And also if you get hitless, so Jeff and Andrew, you get my card show giveaway. If you want to give me a player to look for in the giveaway next Saturday, and if I find that card for you, I'll send you another bonus card. So, double bonus. Again, thanks for everybody for watching, getting in the break, and we'll catch you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.